boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have one perhaps unexpected collab here. I think a band called AUR, if not I'm mistaken there, perhaps from Pakistan. If I did some fast background research there, I hope that is correct. They collab with ZAYN. Alright, so this song is called Hai Kahan, or Kahan. And a nice song there that fits their voices pretty well, and yeah, pretty easy to play as well, so that's nice. Let's take a look at this song, starting here with the capo set on the first fret, and with that we have 4 different chords. So we're gonna look at the chords first, then the melody, and then how to make the strumming. So the 4 chords will be C, G, A minor 7, and F. So first one, C, is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A minor 7, so that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final F is a bar chord where you place the bar on the 1st fret and you bar all strings. Alright, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So we're gonna look at this melody now, and we will do that chord by chord. It will be in the order we'll look to learn the chords. So C, G, A minor 7, and F, that's the order of the chords throughout the entire song. So C part first, it goes alright. You don't have to hold a full chord like I do here. I like to do that because it's nice to have that prepared for strumming later. That's how I think. You don't have to, but anyway, the notes will be 3rd on A, open E, 3rd E. Then back to 3rd on A, open E, 3rd E, and you land on 1st B. So then you switch to G and you play this part. Okay, so that is 3rd on E string, the bass. Then open B, 3rd B, short pause, and then you play the same again. So 3rd on E, open B, and 3rd B. So then over to the A minor 7, you can play this part. So that is open A, 1st B, open E, short pause, and then open A, 1st B, open E, and you land on open G. And the last F is, so that is 1st on E in the bass, 2nd G, and 1st B. You pause, and then you play the same again, 1st E, 2nd G, and 1st B. And that's it. So one round of this melody here that covers all these chords will be alright, so that you can play from the beginning till the very end, or you can switch it up with some strumming. So if we go back to C, that's the 1st chord. One strumming round will be down, down, clap, down. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds per chord. So that is 1 round. Down, down, clap, down. Couple rounds. Alright, so like I said, 2 string rounds per chord, C, G, A minor, and F, like this. so on. All right, some freestyle there in the end. That's what you can do when you know the notes and the strumming and build something out of that. So good luck with this song called, I believe, Hai Kahan or Kahan. Not sure there, but anyway, give it a try. Nice song there. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, follow me here on Gordon Guitar and support me. So till next time, guys, play tuned.